take a look at the magnificent view behind me. Alright, yes guys, it's your boy Roman here again with another video, and today we are continuing with our tour of Hauts-de-France, La Région Hauts-de-France, and today we are currently in Chantilly. Hopefully I said that correctly. Here is known for La Crème Chantilly or something of the sort. I have no idea what that is, but I'll put the picture right here. Walk here, it's simply spectacular. The only thing though that makes it a little bit off is the fact that the weather is really bad. It's raining and it's really overcast, but nonetheless here it's quite wicked, amazing, spectacular. Green spaces, I absolutely love it. Alright, yes guys, so we are here again in front of the Musée du Cheval. And this is a very historical monument here. And if you guys have not noticed, I am recording in the rain. Alright, so currently we are at the Hippodrome de Chantilly. Hopefully I said that correct. And it's basically a horse racing track based on what I'm seeing or what I've read. And if memory serves correct, it should be one of the biggest. I don't know if that's the biggest in France or just one of the biggest in general. It's currently closed, so I can't go inside and show you a full view. So I'll simply find a picture and put it right here. Currently we are at the Musée du Cheval, which is basically an extension to the Château de Chantilly, and here it houses a lot of spectacle horses. That's just a little translation which makes no sense. So I will assume that these are simply paintings and other related things to horses. I am not sure if I'll enter because I'm assuming that you have to pay. If I have to pay, then I won't. But if I don't, then I will enter for a few minutes. Otherwise, I'll just take a grand look of what it is. And here's a picture a little bit up close. Alright, yeah, so I had to pay, so I won't. Anyways, we'll just simply continue to see what else there is to see in the city. And I'll take you guys along with me. Let's go. Alright, so while walking I saw this magnificent view behind me that I started to doubt if what I saw earlier was actually the castle. I'm not exactly sure what this building is, but it's simply amazing. When I discovered that, I'll put the name right here. Anyways, I love it because if you guys can see clearly, whenever there it's just the lake or just the water, and that is simply amazing to be there in a boat to relax at night. It's simply fantastic. I would love to actually live there. It's amazing. Anyways, let's go and take a closer look. And this very castle here was home to the princes of Condé, which were cousins to the King of France. A lot of history happening here. Alright, so apparently to enter, you have to pay. And I'll show you the price listing here. And I'm not willing to simply pay for every place I'll visit, so enjoy from the outside. Alright, so finally, if you guys are along this route and you need to use a bathroom, all the public bathrooms are here. It's free, you don't pay anything. I think this is where you pay to park your vehicles, and that way it looks like there are some buses there. If that interests you guys, it's what I showed at the beginning with the prices. I'll show it here again. Alright, yes guys, so this concludes our visit to the Ville of Chantilly, and it's simply been a spectacular day. So before I'm moving further guys, just simply take a look at the magnificent view behind me. There are horses, it's green, the sky, the sun, the water there, it's simply amazing. And I took an amazing, spectacular, wonderful, glorious, splendid picture right here. So anyways guys, before I move on, again, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you've not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscription button and tap the notification bell so you always be notified when I make an upload. Alright, so let's simply talk about Chantilly for a bit. It's a very calm city, in my estimation. I think it's very relaxed. Although I haven't seen many people, but I think it's relaxed nonetheless. The second thing is that I absolutely love the green space. It's really, really green. And the next thing is that there was a little park. There's a little Chantilly forest. That's it, the forest. It was really small, but I appreciate it nonetheless. And the architecture is simply splendid. So in general, I like the city. And I like the chateaus and all of that. There's a lot to see, but you have to pay for some of it. And with the little that I've showed you, I'm simply saying this is a place that you have to visit. Chantilly, Hauts-de-France. It's amazing. Finally, guys. Oh my god, I thought I would have fun. Okay. Finally, guys, where would you like for me to visit next? Just simply let me know down in the comments. Yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comments down below. See you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.